it goes. Nice. Perfect shot. It's time to make a malt liquor video. It's been about 3 months. The Schlitz Blue Bull, 32 ounce. Happened to find a 32 ounce Blue Bull in Hackensack, New Jersey, of all places. And this is the first Schlitz Blue Bull I'm doing on video. So, malt liquor. Cheers. Delicious. It's been about 3 months since I actually made a malt liquor video, but I did see a video from this guy was using some fucking Mickey Mouse chainsaw, cutting wood and splitting it with an axe. I think his name was Dorf68. Malt liquor, fucking delicious. I want to show what this guy Dorf68, what a real man uses to cut his fucking wood. First of all, you use a Stihl, not some Mickey Mouse fucking chainsaw you get at fucking Walmart. Okay, this here is it's a 020. Okay, it's a 20. It's very light. It's good when you're in the tree. You could use with one hand cutting things, you know, and then when the tree's down you could skin the tree out with it. It's fucking powerful as hell, and it's about $460 or so. This one's a brand new one. Okay, nice and light. You could handle it with one hand, and fucking super powerful. This is brandy new. I got 2 other ones. These are the 2 other ones I have. These are a little older. But I like to use the new one, you know what I'm saying? But then, if you have, once the tree's down, you got some bigger wood you want to cut, you got to use a bigger saw. That's when you get this one. This is a Stihl. This is the 66. This fucking thing's an animal, dude. This will cut some shit. You know what I'm saying? Fucking thing works as a workhorse, man. This fucking thing's awesome. Stihl MS 6600, okay? Now, what happens when you come across a tree that Dorf and his Mickey Mouse chainsaw can't fucking handle? You call me to come over with something. Because I got the saw. When the 66 can't handle it, you get this bad boy. This is the Stihl 090. It has a 4-foot fucking blade. I don't know if you can see that. Get it in the camera. 4-foot fucking blade. Powerful as a motherfucker. This thing sounds like a car. Like a fucking race car when you start it up. No doubt. Those are the kind of saws you use, Dorf. Not no Mickey Mouse saw. How dare you? Malt liquor. Stihl Chainsaws is the way to go when you're gonna cut some fucking wood. Malt liquor. Pick myself up a couple of things. New speakers. Speakers for the Chrysler. Those are for the back. And these are for the doors. Gotta crank some fucking tunes. I needed new speakers. Needed more liquor too. Now I don't know what's been happening in the YTDC, man, but it looks like it's fading away. So I figured it's time to make a malt liquor video because I don't see no fucking good videos out there. Yeah, don't get me wrong, there's a handful of people still doing it. I know. Don't sit there and say, yo man, I'm making fucking videos. But it's fucking slipping away, dude. People are losing interest. I mean, you know, like Steel Worldwide says, men lie, women lie, numbers don't. And tell me the fucking numbers are not up there. They are down. When fucking Country Chef Beer Boy 85 or whatever the fuck his name is sitting in his fucking mama's bedroom in front of a mattress drinking Budweiser and he's getting more views than Steel Worldwide, something's wrong. Malt liquor. That's the king of cans. Favorite guy. Next to the Rainbow Rider and the Strawberry Cowboy, there's Todd. Be a triple-decker sandwich right there for you. Malt liquor. Oh yeah, another treat I got for you. Oh, I got a lot of treats, dude. I got a lot of fucking updates, man. I'm gonna be giving some shit away. Stuff I don't want. Like original Four Locos. I got a shitload of them that I bought. I'm gonna be giving those motherfuckers away. Different flavors. You know, the kind with the taurine, the caffeine, all that bullshit. Malt liquor. Also, I'm going to be going to the Super Bowl tomorrow. East Rutherford is right in my back door. So keep an eye out for me, because I will be in the stands. I'll be in section 303 holding up a big sign that says the Seattle Seahawks suck and Dorf 68 is a fucking cunt. So keep your eyes peeled. Malt liquor and get the fuck out of here.